Okay, so I just came back from FOTB Esplanade. I was the judge. I love to Rio and the team Yung Tau Foo for giving me this. My kids are excited. Yes? Yeah! Adik! Yes!
Yes!
Okay, good. So now I'm going to open it with the kids. Okay, Tia. Yes. Okay, ready, kakak? Okay, count with me. 1, so adik ambil. 1, 2, 3. Look at this. TUNECORE artist. Let's see what we get. Baju. What is that?
Mask.
We got a mask. Show the logo. Okay, next. What do we get? Wow. Nice. Yes, TUNECORE. Okay, what is next? What is this? Jacket? Is it a hoodie? Wow, I love hoodie.
White, got black and white.
Whose favorite color? You must hold properly. Hey. Okay, we have a card. Let's see what they say. Independent AF TUNECORE.
This.
You like it?
I like only this.
Why? Why you like this? Okay, you can play but don't make a mess. Adik? Good or not, adik?
Yes.
Yes? Show me your thumbs up. Yeah, where do you want me to put this video? Where? YouTube?
Yes.
Yes? YouTube?
Yes.
Yes? Okay. So, are we done? Good.
I think I want to find.
Put it on.
This.
That's a bag.
I got that.
Yeah, you can. Nice. Okay, who's gonna try the hoodie? You! Show me your bag. You like?
Yes.
You must put one of your hand inside, Adi. Put one inside. Yeah. Yes. Nice. Yes. Alright. Say bye-bye to the camera.
Bye, Grandpa.
And give me your shish.